Hey everyone, and welcome back to another edition of Ray's Reviews. And in today's video, I'm really excited to check out the Phenyx Pro wireless microphone system. Now, a lot of you guys have been wondering about what is a great wireless microphone system that you can find for under $100. So I decided to test out this one by Phenyx Pro, and we'll see how well it performs. Obviously, a $100 wireless microphone system is great for things such as at-home karaoke, or if you're going to an outdoor event for a DJing event, or obviously at church as well. These sets are great for that. But I'm very curious to see how the sound quality stacks up compared to higher end systems. So we're gonna take a deep dive into this wireless system by Phenyx Pro. So let's get started now and let's go. All right, everyone. So let's start off first of all with the unboxing of the unit. So it comes like this, okay? And just at the back, it's gonna tell you a little bit about the frequency ranges. And one thing to note is that it does say that the battery life is 8 hours. So that's just one thing to keep in mind in case you're worried about battery life. So it looks like this, and we're gonna open up the unit, take a look at all the good stuff inside. So, all right. So one thing I immediately like is that it looks like it comes with a very nice carrying case. So this will be obviously very, very handy in case you go take this for an outdoor event, or you take it for a church event or something along those lines. I'm just gonna open it up right now. And look at that. So already really like the aesthetics of it. So here's the owner's manual right here. This looks like the actual wireless receiver unit. So I'm gonna open this up first. Looks like this. Just like that. Pretty cool. Here's the back. All right, so I'm gonna put this to the side. This looks like the power cord. So I'm gonna open this up just so everyone can see. Power cord is right here. Here are the two microphones. And already they feel really good in my hand. Have this nice little metallic feeling to them. So it looks just like that. And here's the back. I'll put this down, and here's the other one. There's the second microphone right here, just like that. Finally, I believe they gave us some cables. So I'm gonna open this up. And just some cables over here as well. And one thing cool about this unit is it actually comes with batteries, and that's exciting because a lot of the times wireless microphone systems don't come with batteries. So it's awesome that this one comes with batteries as well. So that's it. We are going to set this up. Obviously, this wireless receiver unit, you are gonna need a sound mixer and some other cable equipment that doesn't necessarily come with this unit. If you're an absolute beginner and you're not sure about what other equipment that you might need, make sure you check out a video that I made a couple of months ago for absolute beginners who are trying to set up a wireless karaoke system using a sound mixer. That video will show exactly what type of equipment, what type of cables and all the other goodies that you need in order to get the setup finalized. But I'm gonna get this unit set up right now, and we are gonna test it out, test out the sound quality, and test out how it performs. So let's go. All right, so I just finished setting up this wireless receiver unit, and it was extremely easy to set up. All I did was I plugged in the power supply over here, and I plugged in my XLR cables that I already had lying around to my sound mixer, and that was pretty much it. So I did not use the included wires that came with the system because they were a little bit short, And again, if you're an absolute beginner, make sure you check out an earlier video I did on how to set up a wireless microphone system using a sound mixer for beginners. I'll tell you all the equipment and all the cables that you need to do that. So now I'm gonna get Amy to help us set up the mic and do a little bit of the testing on the microphone. And then we'll test out a couple of at-home karaoke songs to see how this unit performs.
Okay, hi. I just put in the 2 batteries here, so you just simply twist this end part off, and then you can insert the microphones here. On the back there is volume control, which is pretty neat, I thought, and then there's a set button so you can test out. So let's do that. So I turn this on, and then immediately you'll see the battery bar, and then you see the frequency here, and then it's working. You can hear that it's my voice is coming out of the speakers. And then if you want to turn the volume up, you just press the plus button. You can hear hello, hello, and then you can do down, hello, hello, hello. See, the volume is significantly down now. And then you can find the right volume for your singing. Hello, yeah, I think maybe a little higher, like that. Okay, and then you can just set it, and then twist it back in. Okay, all done. Let's try a few songs. Okay, so I'm ready to start testing a few songs. I'm gonna sing a series of songs from low to high range to see how this Phenyx Pro performs. The first song I'm gonna sing is S Club 7, Never Had a Dream Come True.
Everybody's got something they had to leave behind. When regret from yesterday that just seems to grow with time. There's no use looking back or wondering how it could be now or might have been all this time. No, but still I can't find ways to let you go. I never had a dream come true till the day that I found you. Even though I pretend that I moved on, you'll always be my baby. I never found the words to say. You're the one I think about each day. Now no matter where life takes me to, a part of me will always be with you.
Okay, so this next song I'm gonna sing is Beyonce's If I Were a Boy. The last song I sang was low to mid-range, and you can see how the mic sounds, and now the Beyonce song is mid to high range, so let's see how it sounds.
If I were a boy, just for a day, I'd out of bed in the morning and throw on what I wanted and go. Drink beer with the guys and chase after girls. I'd pick a kid with who I wanted, and I never get confronted for it, 'cause they stick up for me. If I were a boy, I think I could understand how it feels to love a girl. I'd never be a better man. That's just how you live. Oh, take it all, but you never give. Should've known you was trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open. Why were they open? Gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash. You did. To give me all your love is all I ever ask. 'Cause what you don't understand is I catch a grenade.
Okay, so how did that sound? I hope you enjoyed that. So Phenyx Pro, my personal feel is that this microphone is very powerful. It projects your voice really well, especially when you sing like, you know, the high pitches. It's a very powerful microphone compared to some of the other microphones that I've used. I mean, different microphone has different characteristics, and this one is definitely the one that projects your voice very well. And if you have an event outdoors, you can definitely rely on this very well. It provides very strong pitched voice. Overall, I really like this microphone. I highly recommend it for your home karaoke system, outdoor events, and other events that you may need it. For a price of lower than $100 for 2 microphones, I definitely think that this is going to be a great buy for you. Okay, so hope you enjoy that. I'm going to switch it over to Ray to conclude on the video.
Well, there you guys have it. The wireless microphone system by Phenyx Pro just absolutely sounds amazing. You get so much great, rich sound quality, volume, and for a sub $100 price, it's just such an amazing steal. I mean, I really have no knocks on this system. It comes with a nice carrying case, 2 really solid, well-built microphones, and it even comes with batteries, which is insane because a lot of wireless microphone systems doesn't come with that. So again, I really like this system. We definitely really recommend it, especially if you are doing at-home karaoke, you know, using this for church or any other outdoor events. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. The link to all the equipment is in the description below. We'll see you guys next time. Take care.